What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Typhon, Arrma Typhon 3S. No upgrades besides the paint. That's what makes it move so fast. Oh, I can't. Oh, my finger completely missed the control. I'm glad I wasn't going to the street. Let me fix that battery real quick. Yeah, this car, people sleep on the 3S. This could be a beginner's car and a not a beginner's car. That's the good part about this car. You can start off cheap, because this was, I remind you, was a Mega. And I just bought the brushless engine, motor, and ESC. And been driving like that ever since. When you first start the hobby, you don't know anything, and I wasn't trying to spend a whole lot of money on no car. I don't trust people's words. I gotta see for myself, so that's one reason why. Yeah, this thing is a beast. It started off with the BLX system, which I no longer have in this car. I got the regular Spektrum system in here, but the BLX is lasted for years. Years, I tell you, and nothing never happened to it. Never any problems with it. And this is only 3S. Only 3S. Every died on me, so I'm gonna just go over the car, what I got in there. It's basically all stock. I thought I didn't have the BLX system in here, but I got the BLX system in here. Maybe I changed the motor out or something, who knows. Yeah, I got the Spektrum motor. Got the Spektrum motor, the 3200 kV motor. And I got the Spektrum 100 amp ESC. Yeah, this thing is a classic. I had this forever. Running this bullshit battery in here that died before I even really got started. Certain batteries, like this battery, I didn't have it that long. I had it for like a year. I mean, it did its job for a year. I guess it's done now. I got a soft pack I want to put in there, but the soft pack is a little swollen. Still works great, but the last time I put a swollen pack in my car, it didn't always fit, and I hit this edge and it busted the battery. So I'm scared to put soft packs, a too long soft pack in here. But yeah, all right, what I got in the car, I'm not worrying about the batteries in the car, but yeah, got the BLX system. I got a metal slipper clutch in there. Got the metal slipper clutch, so that's the only upgrades, really. The motor ESC, and I got a metal slipper clutch, and I got a heat sink on the motor now, but it really don't need it. But as for anything else, you know, still got the original turnbuckles, original arms. I didn't upgrade none of that, which I may do in the future, just to hold it down with this car, because I had it for so long, and it's still original shocks, original chassis. Everything is original, except for these tires. I got Proline Badland tires on there. I think these is Badlands. Yeah, these is Badland tires on here. Yeah, I had this car for a minute, and it's never failed me, never disappointed, except for when I broke the plastic drive shaft. But other than that, man, this is a must-have in your collection. Must-have. You know, I did little decorations to it to make it like it's a little custom job, factory custom job, basically what I did. This is what you call a factory custom job. But hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.